What if you could build hundreds of Etsy listings without staring at a blank canvas every time? Imagine having an idea for an Etsy shop, but instead of spending hours researching products, designing graphics, writing descriptions, and figuring out keywords, you had a system helping you through each step. That's the idea behind EtsyEmpire AI. According to the offer, EtsyEmpire AI is designed to help you discover potential low-competition Etsy niches, generate printable designs, and create the listing content around them. And that's what makes this interesting. You're not simply getting an AI image generator and being told, "Good luck," because what do you actually do with an AI-generated image if you don't know what to sell, how to position it, or how to get people to find it? EtsyEmpire AI aims to connect those pieces into one workflow. You start by exploring potential niches. Then, instead of starting your design from scratch, you can use the system to generate printable designs based on your chosen direction. From there, the listing can be built with elements such as the title, description, tags, and suggested pricing. Think about the time that could potentially save. Instead of spending an entire evening creating one listing, you can focus on reviewing ideas, choosing the designs you actually like, and building a larger catalog. And that catalog is important, because an Etsy business isn't generally about finding one magical product that suddenly makes you rich. It's about testing ideas, learning what customers respond to, improving your listings, and gradually building a portfolio. One listing might do nothing, another might get a few sales, and occasionally one product can outperform everything else. That's why having more quality listings to test can be valuable. But let's be realistic. This isn't a magic button. AI doesn't guarantee sales. Etsy competition is real, customer demand changes, and you still need to review your designs, make sure your products comply with Etsy's policies, and avoid copyrighted or trademarked material. So the real advantage isn't push a button and become rich. It's reducing the amount of repetitive work between having an idea and actually getting a listing ready. And if you're someone who wants to build an Etsy printables business but keeps getting stuck at the starting line, that could be the part worth paying attention to. Because starting from scratch every single time is exhausting. But having a repeatable system for researching, creating, listing, and testing, that can make the process much easier to scale. And honestly, that's the interesting part of EtsyEmpire AI. You're not buying a promise of guaranteed income, you're looking at a tool designed to help you build the inventory. And if you consistently create useful products, learn from the data, and keep improving your shop, those listings can become the foundation of something you continue building over time. If you want to see how EtsyEmpire AI works and decide whether it fits your goals, check out the link in the description. Start with one listing, then another, then another. And before you know it, you may have something much more valuable than a blank canvas. You may have a real Etsy product catalog. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.